Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get money back from PayRange app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. How everything works in PayRange. When a transaction fails or doesn't do what it should, PayRange lets you request a refund right inside the app. Refund goes back to your PayRange wallet balance, not directly to your bank card. So to do it, simply head over and open up your PayRange application, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner of your screen, and that will give you menu options. Among the options, you will find an option that says view transactions. Simply select that. Now here what you need to do is select or look for the payment where the item didn't drop, the machine didn't start, the charge was incorrect. Simply tap that transaction to open details. The next is to tap request refund. Inside the transaction details, you should see request a refund, report a problem, or help with this payment. Tap whichever is available to start a refund. The next is to choose the refund reason. Common options may include item didn't dispense, machine didn't start, double charge, other issue, and select the reason that matches your situation. Then next is to submit the request refund. After you pick the reason, tap on submit or send request. You may be asked for a short explanation. Keep it simple and clear. And what happens next is automatic refunds. If available, if the machine never accepted payment or didn't respond, PayRange often refunds instantly. Manual review. Some requests go to the machine owner for review. This can take up to 72 hours. You usually see the refunded amount show up in your PayRange wallet right on the bottom. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.